Today we will take you to find out the producing process of D2 monoblock forged caliper. We adopt a 6061 aluminum alloy material to heat it up among the degree of 400-450 through the heater. Then we will put the material into the mold and press it to form it into shape. It has the design of stronger and lighter feature. The extra material in the edge will be made into shape with forming mold. Before the shaped raw caliper put into production, they all need to be tested by professional QC technicians to check if the hardness matches the standard. Professional technicians need to write CNC program then to produce the caliper. During the CNC process, our technician is also busy checking if there's any abnormal situation in the production line. They have to check if every piston diameter meets the standard. This will raise our productivity as well as lower the defect rate of the caliper. And of course the caliper itself needs to be strictly examined by the quality control department. The piston diameter, screw position, and screw diameter, etc. These spare parts are highly related to if the caliper can precisely be installed. Caliper is one of the important parts for the passenger's safety, so of course the examinations process needs to be very careful. Next episode. Though small, accomplishes big.